Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have been discussed what is meant by order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation. Today I am going to start the exercise number 9.1, and in that the first question is determine order and degree of the differential equation. As you know that order of the differential equation is highest order derivative involved in the differential equation is called as order of the differential equation. And the degree of the differential equation is if the differential equation is in polynomial in derivative, then the degree of the differential equation is the power of highest order derivative involved in the differential equation is considered as the degree of the differential equation. The first question is d raised to 4y divided by dx raised to 4 plus sin y triple dash is equals to 0. Y triple dash means third order derivative, and the order of this differential equation is this is the third order derivative, this is the fourth order derivative, the highest order is fourth order, hence the order of the first differential equation is 4. What is the degree of this differential equation? So when we are writing the degree of the differential equation, first we must and should conclude that the given differential equation should be polynomial in derivative order. So first thing, polynomial in derivative means the derivative involved in the given differential equation must be involved with either addition, subtraction, multiplication, and that derivative must and should have the non-negative integral power. But here the third order derivative is involved with the trigonometric function sin. Therefore, this first differential equation is not in polynomial in derivative. Therefore, degree of the first differential equation is not 25. I hope all of you understand. Now, the second, y dash plus 5y is equals to 0. Y dash is dy by dx, that is nothing but first order derivative. So, order of the second differential equation is 1. So, only one first order derivative is used here. Therefore, order of the differential equation is 1. And degree is, so this differential equation is polynomial derivative. Therefore, degree is highest order derivative in this differential equation. Power anything 1. Therefore, the degree of this differential equation is 1. Hope all of you understand. Now for the third one, ds by dt power 4 plus ds into d square s divided by dt square is equals to 0. So for the third differential equation, this is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative. Therefore, highest is second order. Therefore, order of the third differential equation is 2. And degree is this third differential equation is polynomial derivative, and the power of highest order derivative involved in this differential equation is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. And next, d square y divided by dx square over 2 plus cos of dy by dx. This is the first order derivative. This is the second order derivative. So highest is second order. Therefore, order of the differential equation is 2. And here the dy by dx is involved with the cos function. Therefore, this differential equation is not in polynomial in derivative. Therefore, degree of this differential equation is what? Not defined. I hope all of you understand. And the fifth question is d square y divided by dx square is equals to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So here only one second order derivative is used. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2. And this second order derivative is involved with the symbol z to minus 1. And this second order derivative has power is equals to 1, and it is also a non-negative integral power. So this differential equation is polynomial in derivative. Therefore, degree of this differential equation is 1. I hope all of you understand. Now, so y triple dash whole square plus y double dash whole square plus y dash whole 4 plus y dash 5 is equals to 0. This is the first order, second order, and third order. Highest is third order. Therefore, order of the differential equation is 3. And this differential equation is in polynomial in derivative. So power of highest order derivative is 2. Therefore, degree of the differential equation is 2. And next, y double dash plus 2y double dash plus y double dash is equals to 0. Maybe this is y dash. So y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash is equals to 0. Here first order, second order, first order and third order. Therefore highest is third order. Therefore order of the differential equation is 3. And degree is this differential equation is a polynomial derivative. Therefore degree highest order derivative to power n 1 in it. Therefore degree is equals to 1. I hope all of you understood. Possible take out. So now the question number 8 is y dash plus y is equals to e power x. Only one, that is first order derivative is involved in this differential equation. Therefore order of this differential equation is 1. And this differential equation is in polynomial derivative. Therefore power of this first order derivative is 1. Therefore degree is also equals to 1. And one more thing, in case of e power x ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ e power y dash then the degree of this differential equation is not defined. Why? Because the derivative involved in this differential equation is involved with exponential function of x ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ y dash degree is not defined. Why? Because the given differential equation is not in polynomial derivative of the two, so that's why degree is not defined. If y dash plus y is equals to e power y dash you understand. Now the right question is y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y is equals to 0. Here y dash is first order derivative, y double dash is second order derivative. Among these two highest order is second order derivative. Therefore order of the ninth differential equation is 2. And this differential equation is polynomial derivative. Therefore power of this highest order derivative is 1. Therefore degree of the given differential equation is 1. I hope all of you understand. Now the 10th question is y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y is equals to 0. So this is the first order derivative and this is the second order derivative. So among these two highest order is second order. Therefore order of this differential equation is 2. And degree of the differential equation, this differential equation is polynomial derivative. Therefore power of this highest order derivative is 1. Hence degree of the differential equation is 1. See here, if sin y over the sin y dash or sin y double dash or sin y triple dash then this differential equation is not in polynomial derivative, and that case degree of this differential equation is not different. I hope all of you understand. But here sin y is used, therefore this differential equation is in polynomial derivative, hence degree is equals to 1. And next the 11th question is d square y by dx square power 3 plus dy by dx power 2 plus sin dy by dx plus 1 is equals to 0. First order derivative, this is also first order derivative and this is the second order derivative, and among these three the second order derivative is the highest order. Therefore order of this general differential equation is 2. And in this differential equation the derivative dy by dx is involved with the sin function. Therefore this differential equation is not in polynomial derivative. Hence degree of this differential equation is what? Not defined. I hope all of you understand. And now the 12th question is 2x square into d square by dx square minus 3dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. This is the first order derivative, this is second order derivative. Among these two the highest order is second order. Therefore order of this differential equation is 2. And the degree of this differential equation is, this differential equation is polynomial derivative. Why? Because dy by dx, that is derivative is involved with addition and subtraction symbol, as well as powers of this derivatives are positive integral. So that's why this differential equation is in polynomial derivative. Hence degree of this differential equation is the highest order derivative